Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. Did you know that you have to verify the IT returns after filing one? Today, I'm here to help you with the process of verifying IT returns with a physical ITRV form. ITRV is a one-page document that can be downloaded from the Income Tax e-filing website. Here are the steps to verify your IT returns through a physical ITRV form. Step 1. Log into your account on the Income Tax e-filing website. Step 2. Select the View Returns Forms option. Step 3. Select the option Income Tax Returns and click Submit. Step 4. Click on the acknowledgement number corresponding to the assessment year for which you wish to verify returns. Step 5. A pop-up window will appear. Click on ITRV or acknowledgement option in the third column. Step 6. The ITRV form will be downloaded in the PDF form. When you try to open the document, you will be prompted for a password. The password is your permanent account number along with your date of birth. The password must be typed in lowercase. For example, if your permanent account number is ABCD1234A and your date of birth is 1 January 2020, then the password will be ABCD1234A01012020. Step 7. Get a printed copy of this document. Step 8. Make a signature on the printed copy of this document with blue ink. Step 9. Send it to CPC Bengaluru at the postal address Centralized Processing Center, Income Tax Department, Bengaluru, Karnataka 560500. You have to send this form through ordinary post or speed post. Do not send it through courier. Step 10. Upon receipt, CPC will send you an acknowledgement through your registered email address. Check your spam folder as the email may have landed there at times. Only upon receiving an acknowledgement from CPC, your IT returns filing process is complete. Remember that you have to send the ITRV form to CPC Bengaluru within 120 days from the date of e-filing your IT returns. You have to follow certain instructions during the process so that your ITRV form is not rejected. You have to only use inkjet printer or laser printer to print the ITRV form. The form must be printed only in black ink. Do not print any watermarks on the ITRV form. The only watermark that is allowed to be printed on the form is that of the Income Tax Department. Use A4 sized white paper to print the document. Do not use perforated paper. Do not write, type or print anything on the other side of the paper. Do not use stapler with ITRV form. If you are submitting original returns along with revised returns, do not print them back to back. You can print them on separate papers. However, you can send them together in a single envelope. Add your original signature on the form. Do not provide photocopied or scanned signatures. Do not sign on the barcode provided on the form. Do not send any supporting documents along with ITRV form. If you do not receive an acknowledgement from CPC within 10 days, you will have to send the ITRV form again. You can also check the status of the ITRV form on the Income Tax e-filing website. I hope the video was informative. Please like and share my video and subscribe to ClearTax channel for more such videos. Thank you.